YouTube, Eric DIY here with another instructional video for you. Today we have Zach's bike here and we have a problem. It's called the chain keeps falling off. You can see it's really loose there. So I want to show you how to fix that, and it's going to take some wrenches just to take off the bolts back here. So we'll show you how to fix a loose bike chain that keeps falling off. Alright, so what you're going to need, at least on this bike, is a 15mm wrench to go on the bolt there. What we're going to do is we're going to loosen up this side and the other side. Then we're going to pull this wheel as far back as we can get it, because as you can see on this bike it goes left to right, and that's going to tighten the chain around the sprocket so that it doesn't come off anymore. You can see it's really loose though, so it's barely hanging on to that sprocket. So that's what happens. After a while these bolts, they loosen up and they move a little bit on you, and you just got to move them back. Then just turn it to the left. It might take a little force. You just have to loosen them up. You don't have to take them all the way off at first. However, if you feel like doing that, go ahead. And the same thing on the other side. You just loosen it up, lefty-loosey. And as long as they're loose, and you can move this wheel back. All right, now with the bolts loose, we want to force this back as much as we can. It's a little easier to do with two people, but you just tighten up the bolts while you pull on the back wheel and force it backwards. That's that side. Then we gotta do the other side. And the same thing, it's loose, so you're gonna force this wheel as far back as you can get it to be, and then tighten. And then you can see that the chain is a little more taut because we brought this back more, and that will keep the chain on the bike. And that's how you have a possible solution on how to keep a chain from falling off your bike consistently. It's just that this shifted a little bit more forward, so you have to push a little more back, get this to be tighter. If that doesn't work for you, you might have stretched out the chain over time. They sell a tool that will check the chain, and if it's too loose, you'll just have to replace the chain. But this is a good first try to do when trying to fix a chain that keeps falling off the bike. So I hope this helps with your bike chain repair. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon. I'll do that for Zachary right now. And that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.